Hi folks, welcome to another quick vlog. I wasn't going to do one today because, you know, I did one yesterday on the Escort and that, but I'm just currently burning all these boxes in my partner's back garden. I thought I'd give you a quick tour of where I've ended up dumping most of my stuff. So yeah, these are all the boxes. Little fire going. So luckily she has quite a big garden. So I've got pretty much all of my metal stored there. That's all her scrap. I need to sort that out for her. But all of that rack in there, all that metal work was a massive workbench that I acquired from somebody. And then there's boxes and boxes of shit. So I've got a shed that I need to put up that comes down from my unit, which is there. My little trailer with all of my racking, and then yeah, I've filled the garden for the car parts. So these are the original wheels off of my Rover MG. These are the panels off the Escort, and then I've got bonnet and bits off me Rover SD1. And then there's some more racking and my ladder. I need to take my ladder back with me actually. So yeah, that's pretty much where I've dumped all the shit. While I'm here as well, I'll give you a quick update on the Rover, because that's just outside. So I'll see you in a second. Well, there she is. She's looking a little bit sorry for herself at the minute, where she was before I moved her here. She was under a tree, so I need to give her a wash, but that ain't gonna happen today. You actually get to see this side, because you never see it in the proper videos. Moss growing, fucking seals, moss growing in there. It started to condensate on the windows as well, so I think there's probably a leak somewhere, so I'm gonna have to investigate that soon. I need a little bit sorting out there, but yeah, where she was under a tree, look at her state of it. Just neglected at the minute. Bird shit on it as well. She's also being used as storage. Like all of the spare parts I had for her, it's all in the back. That's the bonnet liner for it. You know, just had nowhere else to put it, so it's all just gone in here. But, oh, she's lovely. Still need to sort the dash out. I haven't done anything with it for months. I mean, obviously I've changed the steering wheel, if you see on Facebook. But yeah, that's damp. It doesn't feel wet though, and it was raining quite hard earlier, so I don't think the sunroof's leaking. I don't know, I'll have to have a look into it. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you. She's still here, she's still alive. Unfortunately, I've got parked on a fucking road at the minute. I need to get that sorted out. Oh, will do. Let's see if the tyres are a little bit low. But yeah, there she is, feeling sorry for herself. I'm going to do a proper update video, and it'll be dedicated to this, and I'll come out and I'll wash it and give it another Rover in a clean. I do want to try and get it started and running properly as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you when I get to the unit and I'll show you what I'm doing down there. Right, that's the end of the day. It's about 6 o'clock now. I didn't get down here until quite late. I got down here probably about 3:30. Left me partners at about 1, and then there was an accident on the way up here, so it took me a while to get here. But let me show you what I've actually managed to get done today. It's not a lot, but something. So I trimmed up the new arch because it had that nasty fucking bit on it. You know, these are fucking horrendous. So trim that up. I want to leave the bottoms on because I'm not sure where that's going to go yet. Sort of lined it up, marked it. That's not going to be the final mark. You know, I still want some tweaking, but you know, at least we cut the arch back a little bit more so we can get to the inner arch. And I started cleaning it up. It's a lot worse than I expected. You know, the outer arch was still pretty good up here, but all this has just fell out where it's rotted from sort of on the inside. So yeah, I've got it all cleaned up, and I've started making the new shape. Right, made that. Started to bend it because it's got to have quite a tall lip on it, because that needs to go right up there. I will end up trimming this right back, but I need to get it at least above that. You know, it's just been a pain in the ass to stretch. You know, I've got to do it like at least 3 passes on each one. You know, inside, outside, then down the middle as well. So I've probably got about half hour, an hour into that maybe. We're slowly getting there, but it's one of them things, you can't rush it because it has to be pretty good. And not only that, is because I've only got the one machine, if I make a mistake and I've got to shrink it back again, you know, it's like 10 minutes changing the fucking jaws backwards and forwards. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. So yeah, I'll be back down here tomorrow and hopefully get that finished. I'm obviously filming it as well on the proper camera, so there'll be a proper video up with it as part of the RS Turbo restoration, so you can follow the whole process. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up on my video, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to hit the little bell, drop a comment, say hi. You know, I like chatting to new people, you know, new channels and stuff like that. So I'll speak to you soon. Catch you later. Bye.